Gábor, yesterday you did the Storytelling for Success workshop. What are your impressions? How did you like it?
It was great. So that's, I'm also dealing with public speaking. I'm in Toastmasters, Krakow, English speaking club, and there we learn a lot of tiny bits about how to do public speaking and how to build up a speech, etc. Also a story, but we don't really have an extended framework. And this is what I learned there in the Storytelling for Success workshop: how to do this extended framework and how to think about storytelling strategically. And that was my biggest takeaway from the workshop. And this is something that I'm going to use.